Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Suntrust bank account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Suntrust Banking Corporation is an American bank holding company and is one of the country's biggest regional banks. Suntrust primarily works on consumer banking and private health management, wholesale banking and mortgage banking. If you want to log into your online banking account for Suntrust, go and click Open your web browser, go to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in suntrust.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of Suntrust Bank. If you don't have an account yet, you can start by signing up for a new account. Click on Open an Account button in the top right corner and register first. Once you have an account, you can simply go ahead and show us your ID and your password inside the sign-on box at the right corner from the display. First, choose whether you'd like to log into your online banking site or your business online. Once you click on one of your choices, enter the user ID in the next text box. Now head over to the password text box and type in your password that is associated with the account. In case you have forgotten you use your ID, then you can click on this link right here where it says forgot to use your ID/password. Similarly, if you don't remember your password, you can click on the same link and then follow the instructions to reset your new password or to look for your user ID. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, then click on Remember User ID box right here and make sure to leave it checked. But if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box before moving on. And finally, after everything's typed in, click on Sign On in order to sign into Suntrust bank account. That's how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till